Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosana and today we are making chicken fajitas. The chicken is so juicy, full of flavor. The vegetables are going to be cooked to perfection, so I really want to show you how I make this incredible recipe. Let's get started. To make this recipe, we are going to need 3 bell peppers. To bring color to this meal, I will be using a yellow, red, and orange one. You can mix and match or use whichever color you have on hand. To prep the peppers, start by cutting around as you remove the seeds and stem. Once the flesh is detached from the stem, you can cut the bottom so we can use it as well. Grab the pepper and cut it in half so we can easily work with it. Now slice into about 1/2-inch slices. Do the same with the rest of the peppers. I love the flavor profile these peppers have to offer. By the way, the peppers we're using tend to be sweeter and fruitier than green bell peppers. Having said that, the green ones do have a distinctive grassy flavor, but all of them have something to offer, including their gorgeous color. Go ahead and transfer to a medium bowl and slice a medium white onion into the same thickness as the peppers. This ensures all the vegetables cook evenly. Then transfer them to the same bowl as the peppers. Set them aside until needed. Let's move on to the chicken. I'm using 2 pounds of chicken breast. Another great option is chicken thighs. You can pick whichever one you prefer. Slice each breast in half lengthwise to obtain a slightly thinner piece. I like to do this because it reduces the time it takes to cook. Now let's make the marinade. It is packed in flavor. In a bowl or measuring cup, add in 1/2 cup of olive oil and 5 small grated garlic cloves. I'm using a microplane to obtain this, but you can also mince them if it's an easier option for you. And right after the garlic, I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of ground ancho chile, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. Finally, pour in 3 tablespoons of lime juice and mix to combine. At this point, remove 3 tablespoons of the marinade and drizzle over the vegetables. Toss everything well, ensuring the marinade covers the veggies with all its greatness. And the rest of the marinade will be poured over the chicken. Turn the pieces as needed to make sure it is well seasoned and completely covered. Now place a large skillet or pan over medium heat, and once hot, add in the chicken. Try not to overcrowd the skillet. We want both sides to turn a golden brown color. When one side looks ready, turn so the other side does the same. If it's browning too fast and not allowing the chicken to cook completely, you can lower the heat. We still want to maintain a hot pan, but keep close attention so nothing burns. The chicken is ready when it browns on both sides and it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It will take about 6 minutes per side. Reaching the right temperature lets you know the chicken is completely cooked, and the end result is always so juicy. As soon as all the chicken is done, remove it from the skillet and let it rest for a few minutes. Meanwhile, turn the heat to medium-high and saute the vegetables until slightly softened, and this step will take about 5 minutes. Just make sure to stir frequently. At this point, they will pick up the flavor from the browning at the bottom of the pan. We really want to make use of the great flavor from the browning of the chicken. You can also grill the chicken and cook the veggies on a skillet. Once everything is ready, just combine. Sounds really good as well. While the veggies are still cooking, slice the chicken. At this point, you will be able to see how juicy the end result is. Those peppers and onions look so good. Go ahead and stir in the chicken and make sure you taste. I will need to add more salt, and this is the perfect time to do so. Add to taste and mix well. And ta-da! They are ready. Go ahead and remove from the stove. These look so good. I can hardly wait to have some, but we have a few more things to add before we can taste. Drizzle some lime juice all over the chicken fajitas and sprinkle chopped cilantro. Toss everything in and enjoy in a taco with corn or flour tortillas. You can also serve as an entree accompanied by rice, refried beans, salsa, guacamole. The options are endless. I'm ready. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna taste this in a taco. I'm gonna be using corn, but you can use flour as well. All right, let's not fill this thing. I got a little too excited with it. It's a thick one. This looks amazing. I'm just loving the vegetables. They really came out perfect. That chicken. Happy belly, happy taste buds. This is incredibly delicious. I really hope you're inspired to try this. Share it with friends and family. Enjoy it. Have a really good time. And then when you're done, come back and let me know how it went down in the comment area. Also, do not forget to give us a huge thumbs up, like this video, because that's how you show us all of your support and your love. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And let's see what else. Click the notification bell. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms. Until the next one.